Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Transcend all modes, but act accordingly. Success is in understanding scriptures. Death anniversaries are observed in Vedic culture. Miserliness is seen more in duty not being done. Wealth, fame, duty, strength, knowledge, and renunciation are the desired opulences. Hitler and many scholars considered knowledge that they got from the Bhagavad Gita. Wives, if not given their own homes, should be allowed their own space. Now, when I say Hitler was, people will, even if you have a quote from a leader that wasn't quite a good leader, was it a good quote? Okay, well, it was a good quote. It doesn't mean you support everything about the leader. And, saying that even some bad people had influence from something doesn't detract from that. Brahmins and Kshatriyas were allowed things others weren't, but they also had unique duties. Don't mourn either the live or dead body. Missionary work is superior to dwelling in pilgrimage places, but pilgrimage obligations remain. I was hoping to interview somebody who exemplified that, and I may at some point. I'm thinking someone in particular, but there's certainly other people that have followed that principle. True knowledge is not invented by humans, but transferred. Understanding may be personal, but that which is independent is deceiving. Become as one with God. Goodness of parents can be regarded by their intentions. Emergence, liberation, merging, unity, and spiritualizing the body are said to be the stages of relation with God. The light beings are as Dhammas Agos. Dhammas Agogos. Demagogues. But not such as could choose whether or not to be liberated. Because the light beings don't have accountability or the ability to disobey. The devas, the devotee who seeks liberation by enjoying the company of God are more exalted. The material can't destroy the spiritual. Life on other physical planets would need different bodies and different physical planets, and there is no legitimate reason to think this is the only planet with life. Scriptures say it isn't as well. Don't bring the impure to temples. Well, you can bring yourself, and hopefully you get purified in the process, right? But, you bathe and all that. But if you refer to authority, reason it out. Spiritual is collective, but matter can be fragmentary and individual. Do not seek out serving the servants, but be open to the opportunity. Multiple marriages is not the issue, but justice to wives, and wives to their husbands too, right? Sacrificial ceremonies and other rituals are not successful merely because they were paid for. Renunciation is just as prone to ignorance as indulgence. If a matter is serious, referring to authority is essential. Rishikesha is how ultimate enjoyment and control of senses and a manifestation is God's, and we are as becoming the lesser Ishvara. And I did a series on the Yoga Sutras, so at the moment, my favorite verse of chapter 6 is text 6. Banduratmatmanastasya yanatmevatmana jetta anatmanas tu satratve vartatatmeva satruvat. The friend of the mind. The friend is there's a friend in the mind of the living entity, of him by whom the mind, and by the living entity, has conquered it, of who has failed to control the mind. Well, that's the exception, because it's an enemy, and it remains as the very enemy, that very mind. Okay, well, I've tried to. But anyways, your mind's your friend, if you let it be. But the mind's not you. The body's not you either. So, don't be your worst enemy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Realize the potency of attraction and enjoyment. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. The presence of the vibrations goes beyond the mere material forms through which we know it. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari.